This short video I will teach you that how to open Task Manager on Mac device. On Windows usually you press Control plus Shift plus Escape key, but if you are a Mac operating system user, so how you can open, you can see I'm using MacBook Pro. So right now there are a lot of programs running on my device, on my computer, and if I want to open this task manager on Mac, so we will have to press Command, Option and Escape key all together. See, I will press all of them. Just a minute. Command, Option and Escape. See, force quit applications. See, this has been opened, and now we can see Adobe Photoshop and a lot of programs are working. So if, for instance, like Google Chrome is not working, for example, so we can select and we can press on force quit. If an app doesn't respond for a while, select its name and click force quit. So then you can force quit and it will see force quit, and it will see it will quit. So how easily we can close any application that is not responding using the task manager on Mac. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel Omar Bhatt.